So we're going to do your foldable for motion. So this will require two pieces of paper, a stapler, a ruler, a writing utensil, colored pencils or markers or whatever you have to color with, and your notes. So the purpose of this project is to help you remember the three different equations we learned for motion. Your foldable will include the term, so the speed, momentum, acceleration, the definition, the equation, and the units of measurement associated with each question. So you need to stack the papers on top of each other. Leave about 2 centimeters or about an inch, 3 centimeters between the top and bottom pieces of paper. You will grab it, you will fold it with your thumb and prepare to fold. It needs to show to where there are about 2 or 3 centimeters of margin between each one. So if you can tell, it needs to look nice and layered, so stacked like so. So motion will be what we put for your entire thing, because that's what this foldable is for. Speed, momentum, acceleration will have their each own instruction. So do not label just yet. This picture will help you understand how to fold the paper. So you need to staple it once you put it on there. So staple two sheets of paper together. You can staple it once, twice, however it helps you do it. Now use a ruler, right utensil, outline each flap, so that way it is much nicer to see. Once you have outlined them, label the top flap motion, and then the next three speed, momentum, acceleration. Exactly the same order that we did our notes in. So next you will divide each paper into 3 sections and use a ruler to keep the straight line straight. For each label, you will label your headlines at the top of each section as a definition, formula, units. You will do this for each one. So definition, formula, and then the different units. And you will do that for momentum, definition, formula, and the different units. And then acceleration, definition, formula, units. Now, I would suggest that you do both the formula and the triangle for each of these, just the formula for acceleration. So as you can tell, use your notes, write down the definition. So whatever the definition is that we used in our notes, the formula we went over in the notes, the units we went over in the notes, and do this for each one as you go. The speed is done for your example. And if you need to zoom, feel free to zoom in. The foldable is finished now that you've done all 3 sections. Please show, so take a picture. Make sure you take a picture of each section, post it on Classroom, and this is your first part of your project. This part needs to be completed before you continue part 2 of the project. Use it as a reference and a study guide for your upcoming quiz and for your project. Having this will be very helpful to remember how to use all of this stuff. And remember, you can use this on your test. So I would definitely put your work into it. Use the ruler to make it nice and neat. Make sure that you are looking at the correct terms in your notes, which is in your workbook. So that should be nice and easy to find. So you don't have to go find your notes anywhere. This is your project. So make sure you follow the steps easy. It is nice and easy, 8 steps. So do not do this. You will be fine. Well, it's 9 steps, sorry. But you make sure that you complete this. Make sure you complete this before you continue on to your project. And that is all for today. All right. Have a good day. Let me know if you are having trouble with understanding any of this. All right.